have immunity. The privileges and immunities enshrined in Articles 105 and 194 of the Constitution with respect to houses of parliament and the legislatures, their members and committees, respectively belong to the House collectively. The exercise of the privileges individually by members must be tested on the anvil of whether it is tethered to the healthy and essential functioning of the House. The evolution of parliamentary privileges, as well as the jurisprudence of this court, established that members of the House, or indeed the House itself, cannot claim privileges which are not essentially related to their functioning. To give any privilege unconnected to the functioning of the parliament or legislature by necessity is to create a class of citizens which enjoys unchecked exemption from ordinary application of the law. This was neither the intention of the Constitution nor the goal of vesting parliament and legislatures with powers, privileges, and immunities. We therefore hold that the assertion of a privilege by an individual member of parliament or legislature would be governed by a twofold test. First, the privilege claimed has to be tethered to the collective functioning of the House, and second, its necessity must bear a functional relationship to the discharge of the essential duties of a legislator. We then proceed to apply the above exposition of law to the context of a legislator who receives a bribe to cast a vote or speak in a certain direction. We hold that bribery is not protected by parliamentary privilege for the following reasons. The words anything and any, when read with their respective operative words, mean that a member may claim immunity to say as they feel and vote in a direction that they desire on any matter before the House. These are absolutely outside the scope of interference by the courts. The wide meaning of anything and any, read with their companion words, connotes actions of speech or voting inside the House or committee, which are absolute. The phrase in respect of applies to the collective phrase, anything said or any vote given. The words in respect of means arising out of or bearing a clear relation to. This may not be overbroad or be interpreted to mean anything which may have even a remote connection with the speech or vote given. We therefore cannot concur with the majority judgment in P.V. Narasimha Rao. The purpose and object for which the Constitution stipulates powers, privileges, and immunity in Parliament must be borne in mind. Privileges are essentially related to the House collectively and necessary for its functioning. Hence, the phrase in respect of must have a meaning consistent with the purpose of privileges and immunities. Articles 105 and 194 of the Constitution seek to create a fearless atmosphere in which debate, deliberations, and exchange of ideas can take place within the Houses of Parliament and the state legislatures.